many forms of wildlife here living in the lagoon, and one of these wildlife is oysters and clams. So here I have one of these sticks, and this was just washed up onto the shore, and it has a bunch of clams and oysters on it that stuck onto here just to make life.
And over here I have a hermit crab. And this hermit crab was just probably trying to look around for food and was just on the sand everywhere, and will probably later on in the day go back into the water and back to its home.
Another example are all of these oysters on the sand, and one of them is the one that I'm holding, and they're all just washed up here and probably dried up and they're dead, but yeah.
Hi, I'm Hannah, and I'm going to be talking to you about how water quality affects low oxygen in the water. So one thing that causes low oxygen in the ocean is nitrogen and phosphorus entering through storm runoff and fertilizers and going into algal blooms. Algal blooms need two things to live. They need oxygen and bacteria. So in order for these algal blooms to live, they already have the nitrogen and phosphorus, which are types of bacteria, so they suck in all of the oxygen in the water, leaving none for the fish to breathe, obviously killing them. Another thing that causes low oxygen in the ocean is water being too warm. This will cause the fish to have oxygen to breathe, which could end up killing them or giving them diseases, which we will now talk about.
Hi, it's me, Meher again, and I'm here to talk about fish diseases. So first, let's get started with this one type of fish disease called ammonia. And this disease basically causes fish to have their gills red or inflamed, which can actually be really harmful for them. And now let's talk about this other disease called camellitis. This disease causes pink or red worms to come out of the fish's anus. And those are pretty much two very common diseases. And these diseases also can happen to fish such as salmon. And now I'm going to let my friend Sarah talk about this.
Hi, my name is Sarah, and I'm going to be talking about salmon. A couple of years ago, an incident happened in Puget Sound where hundreds of dead salmon rised up in the ocean. And everyone was shocked on why this happened. Well, scientists figured out that it was due to poor water quality. And as Hannah stated before, it was because of algal blooms and warmer water. And now we know to stop polluting our water and try to keep it clean as we can.
So as Sarah stated before, one solution to keep the fish population from decreasing is to help stop polluting and to pick up trash and to make sure the water stay clean.
Thank you for watching our documentary on fish and fish kills.
Bye! Hi, this is the behind the scenes.